कहानियां बड़ी बनाते हो तुम? ये तो जरूर सुना होगा ना. So yeah, a kahani banane wala person, or a person who likes to come up with stories, has a very nice word that comes from Latin into English. The word is derived from the Latin root fabule, F-A-B-U-L. Now, fabule also happens to be the root for the word fabulous, the root for the word fable, and others. So, fabule is Latin meaning story. If you want to say something is fabulous, well, we'll do another video on that. But if you want to say that a person is speaking in a manner that is cooking up stories, you're saying you are confabulating. Con meaning together, fabule meaning story, ating meaning process, or a verb ending, and therefore confabulating is a person making up stories. Confabulation is the process of making stories. And you know what? Confabulation also happens to be one of the symptoms of a disease called schizophrenia. So if you have a schizophrenic around you, they might be indulging in the process of telling stories. What did you learn today? If you like that, you will also notice that Logophilia doesn't just teach you vocabulary terms. We also teach you a lot of science, a lot of humanities, a lot of how to study, because that's basically the point about this, isn't it?